Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to export an AAF file from DaVinci Resolve to Pro Tools. This is an essential workflow if you're moving your project from video editing into professional audio post-production, allowing you to maintain all your audio tracks, edits, and timing perfectly intact. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once you've got your project loaded and you're happy with your edits, we need to navigate to the Export section. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see several workspace tabs. Click on Delivery. This is where all your export and rendering options live, and it's specifically designed to help you package your project for different platforms or software. Once you're in the Delivery workspace, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you can see the Render Settings panel, which contains all the configuration options you'll need. At the top of this panel, you'll notice you can scroll sideways through different preset categories. Go ahead and scroll through these options until you find and click Pro Tools. Selecting this preset automatically configures many settings to be compatible with Pro Tools, which saves you a lot of manual adjustment. Now you have access to edit the render settings more specifically. Input a file name that makes sense for your project, something descriptive that you'll easily recognize later. You can also adjust the format if needed, though the Pro Tools preset should have most of this handled for you already. Next, click on Audio. This section is crucial because it determines how your audio data will be packaged and transferred. Within the audio settings, find the option labeled Codec. Click the drop-down menu beside it and select Embedded in AAF. This ensures that all your audio is packaged directly within the AAF file itself, making the transfer to Pro Tools seamless and preventing any missing media issues. Now let's talk about frame handles. Locate the setting called Add Frame Handles. This option adds extra frames of audio before and after your edits, giving you flexibility during the final mix in Pro Tools. You can increase this to something like 50, or adjust it depending on your clip and how much breathing room you want for your audio editor. This is especially helpful if you need to make adjustments or crossfades during the mixing process. And that's it, you're all set. Click Add to Render Queue now. Your AAF file will be processed and ready to import directly into Pro Tools, complete with all your audio tracks, edits, and handles intact. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.